Hi guys, welcome to Code Artisan Lab. This is video number 87 for multi-vendor e-commerce website in Django with React.js. In this video, we will again work on the home page and we will try to complete the popular categories and popular products, right? So this view all goes to the all product, and this popular category means we will see all the categories, right? So we will do these two things, and with this we will complete the home page, right? So let's start to do this. Okay, so before doing this popular product and popular categories, let's show the seller categories, right? So according to the product of the sellers, right? So what we will do in the model, let's define a one more property. Try to put all your logic in the model so it will be easy to fetch the resources, right? So categories self, let's say cats equal to product dot objects dot filter. So first of all we will apply vendor equal to self, because in our product model vendor is connected with this, right? Now we will define the values, and this will be category, right? And then from the category we will fetch name, sorry, title. Let's see what's name, title, right? Here you can see that. So title, right? Title. Now let's see what it is returning. So return cats, and then we need to define in the serializer. So here, right? So here we will define the serializer and then categories. Let's see in the fetch limit vendors response, and here we have a result, right? And then we have here categories, but null is also coming and category title is this too. So first of all let's apply one more condition, that category is null equal to false, right? Now let's see. So now we have null is not coming. Let's see the second result, but the same is coming. So what we need to do, we need to apply one more condition. So I will apply order by, and then we will see category title, and then we will define distinct. And remember one thing, this distinct will work only with the PostgreSQL if you connected, else it will not work with the SQLite, right? So here we have category title. Now if I refresh this page, then you can see here we have only one category, right? So these categories, so let's see where we are, categories. So we are doing something, join not here, let's check here, not here also. In the serializer, find join, okay, remove this, all right, escape, sorry. And then we have what is this, remove this, join not here, join, let's check the tags. Okay, so we are okay, I think we need, okay, no problem. Let's define first of all home page, and then we have, okay, so this is our row and this is single seller. Let's go to single seller card body, and let's define class name card footer, right? And then we have here map, we should have map function, so it will be popular seller dot categories, right? Then dot map, and then we have item, and then we have, let's define span tag, right? And then we have item dot what's name, category title. So category title, right? So it should work. Let's see. Props category map items span. Okay, it should work. Item dot this category. Let's check. Not here. Unexpected token. 30 number line, 9 number line. Okay. This should be, yeah. Okay. Now let's go here, and you can see this is working. Let's define one more thing. Class margin right 1, right? Then we have, this is not taking the margin right. Oh, margin end. Okay, so margin end this is, and we can do one more thing. Anchor href equal to this hash, right? And this one, so Django Python, right? I'm sure we should have the categories, then single category page, right? Let's search about that. So we have category product, categories product, categories product. We have categories, so let's check the categories. So we don't we should have single category, but we don't have. So let's copy this link, right? And then we have single seller, and then define here a category title. So it should be item dot category title, and it should be category id, item dot category id, right? But for the id we will define that. So category title is fine. Let's go to model, and where we have a defined categories, let's also define id, this one, right? Let's go to home page, popular sellers, fetch limit, categories. So Python id, right? So here we have, so when, oh, let's define the class margin 1, right? So when we click on the Django, it will fetch the Django products. When we click on the Python, it will fetch the Python products, right? So we have defined all the categories here. Now let's go to popular categories and then popular products. Okay, so now let's fetch popular products. This can be easy part, so because we will directly deal with the downloads, right? So all right, so popular products. Okay, let's go to home page, right? And we have this one, popular products section, right? So how we will fetch popular products? We will apply the same thing like we applied in the vendors. So we have So where is home, and we are fetching popular vendors. So we will say popular products, right? And then we have products, so we will say popular equal to 4, right? So we have, let's copy this one, right? Paste here, popular products, right? And then we should have this URL. So we'll go to the views and product list. So we will copy this one, right? And then paste here, and we will say here popular. So popular equal to limit, right? But we will apply the condition that download count, order by download count or order by ID, right? So here, so QS equal to QS downloads. So count, we will simply, we don't need to annotate this, we can simply order by downloads and ID, right? So popular, this one, this one, and we have single product. So we'll copy this, right, and paste in the popular section. It should work. Remove here, right? But we need to create one more thing, vendor list. We'll say popular product list, right? So set it here, and let's set it here, and we'll fetch it popular products here, right? Popular categories, popular products, great. Popular sellers, right? And if we want to show the download count, then we can also show, it's a choice if you want to show, right? So view all, what is this, view all products. So we can copy this link, right? And here, so popular products, view all products, right? So this is nice. So now let's go to popular categories. Let's do that. Okay, so for the popular categories, let's fetch the categories. We need to fetch the categories from the product, right? So let's go to product model, right? And then we have property popular, not from the product. Let's go to categories, and here define the property define popular categories self, right? And then gets equal to, so what we have in a vendor, so let's copy this one, okay, this is the categories, right? Okay, let's define here. So we will say category equal to this, this is fine. Then we will fetch, right? So we have this category, this we need to annotate dot downloads equal to, like we do in the vendor, we will do here, right? And then we will say order by minus downloads or minus id, right? So downloads equal to, here we will say what we have defined in the this should be in the model. Okay, so where is the vendor? Okay, here. So annotate downloads count product. Okay, so we need to fetch it from categories. No need to do in the model. We will follow the same thing. So we have this query set, and we have product list and product this one, product customer, where is category. Okay, so where we are fetching the categories for that categories, let's go to URL, categories, view category list. So let's go to category list. Okay, so define query set, right? And then we have fetch limit, then we would define the limit, then downloads count product. This is okay, this is fine. So we need to pass the fetch limit, right? Or let's say popular, right? So here we are fetching this fetch data. Let's go to home, and then let's go to let's say popular category list, category list, and set popular category list, right? So now let's check the sorry. Okay, so popular category list, and then we have, so set popular category list, and then we have, let's copy this one, paste here, set popular category list, oh sorry, fetch popular products, not popular products, popular categories, right? Fetch popular categories. Great. Then we have categories, and it will hit the URL, and URL will hit the category list, and category, when we go to the category list, when we found the popular, then we will find these things, right? And then home page, and then we have set popular category list, then categories. Okay, then we have to define, so let's remove all of the other static things. Okay, and then we have here this one, and we will say popular category list. Because we didn't create this component, we need to define this div here. right? Okay, here. Oh, okay, sorry for the disturbance. Okay, so we have this divs. Now let's, sorry, okay, what is here? We have this one. This div is closing here. All right, then we have this. Okay, 1 minute. Categories, if we go to, okay, we just need this, sorry, this thing, and then what we need else, this should be closed here. Okay, what else? This is product, we can remove this, why this is not, oh, all right. So this is popular category list. Let's go here, popular categories. This is fetching 4. Okay, then we will say category, and this should be category. Let's see, network, categories, response, cannot resolve keyword product into field choices are category product. Okay, so we have views, choices are category product, QS. All right, so popular categories, sorry, so categories here, result, then we have a Python category, Django projects, right? Title detail. Okay, so we have in the model category title detail. Okay, fine. So let's go to home dot title, right? And then okay, so we also need product downloads, that how many products download, right? So in the views, downloads equal to downloads, and we are fetching the details. Okay, so let's say, okay, no problem, we will focus on the download counting, let's see later, but okay, so popular categories are these. We will see how to we can show the product downloads, and when we click on this view all categories, so what we need to do, whatever we have in the header link, we have to define in the front end. So source, components, header, uh, header, right? And then we have categories, so we need to define this one, or let's just, okay, so view all categories. So here link to categories, then link view all categories, correct? Okay, so now we have popular categories, we have popular products, we have popular sellers. This section testimonial is also completed. Popular sellers, why this is not fetching? Field name category is not valid for model vendor. Why? So that field name category is not for vendor. Here we have a vendor, so vendor list here. Where is this error is coming? Categories, serializer. Where this issue is coming? Fetching the vendors. Okay, so let's see. So vendors, vendor list. We'll go to vendor list. Also, we also need to go in the model, the vendor, and then we have total products. All right, views. This is vendor list, and annotate fetch limit. It's and if you go to popular this is vendor list. So set vendor list, use state and set vendor list, where we are setting this vendor list in the fetch popular vendor. And in the fetch popular vendor, what URL we are saying? Vendors. And what issue we are facing? Popular sellers, and sellers are not coming because field name category is okay. I think here, right, correct. Okay, because I think we accidentally removed that thing, that method. So popular sellers is completed, testimonial is also completed, popular product is also completed, popular categories, this is going to all products, this is going to all categories, this is going to all products again, this is going to all sellers, right? Now what we need to do, popular categories, we just need to count the product download counting, right? So how many products downloads in that categories, right? So let's see. So we have model, right? So let's go to product categories, popular categories, no need, just total downloads. Let's say total downloads, product object downloads equal to sum. We don't have, we are not input the sum count. Let's say sum, right? And then we will use the sum for total downloads, and we will say what we have for the product downloads, right? So download, we will sum the downloads, this one, and no need for this thing, right? So total downloads, and we will use this in a serializer. So let's say category list, sorry for this. Okay, so category list, where is that category list? So category serializer, so we have category serializer, and we will also fetch this thing, right? Total downloads, and then we will show the total downloads. Where is the popular categories? Here. So show here sorry, category dot total downloads, right? Okay, so let's see what is the issue here. Response does not exist, download minimum publish status sum. Okay, let's go to this, annotate total downloads, filter, let's define this kind of thing. I think we should use aggregate. Now let's see. Now here functions character varying does not exist. Okay, I think the downloads field is character, we should make it integer, then it will work. But we can do one more thing. Let's say total downloads equal to 0, right? And then we will say products, right? And we just remove all of these things, and we will say for product in products, right? And then total downloads plus equal to int product dot downloads, right? And here we will apply the condition if product dot downloads exist and product dot downloads greater than, if exist is fine, it means it's not null, and then we will return this product downloads. Then what will happen? Okay, so product downloads 20, product downloads 0, right? So everything seems fine. We just need to do few things. If no image, then we will show the image, and here we will define the blocks. I think if no image, then if we show the images, then almost everything looks same, except if images are not in the same size, then what it will look like this. But we should remove this, so we will do this things in our next videos. So thank you so much. It's again straightforward. Okay, so thank you so much for watching the video. And what we have pending now, so categories, I think small things are pending now, small few things. Let me check, give me 1 minute please. Okay. So we need to remove this new order thing, one thing. Then we will see the pagination of all pages. Then we will see, and one more thing, we need to apply the razor pay for Indian payment gateway. And then I think we have completed this project, right? Then we will start the new one. So thank you so much for watching the video. And if you need the source code of this project, so as you know, I have uploaded everything on GitHub, so you can just go to Code Artisan Lab and find the public repository multi-vendor, and then you can follow the process. So this will be very big support for me. So if you can pay this amount, then it will be very good, and I will provide you the access, and we are good. So thank you so much for watching the video, and please share, subscribe, like this channel, and I will make more interesting projects, right? I know from last few days I'm not uploading the videos, but I will try to do, right? Thank you so much, and let's meet in the new videos, next videos. Thank you.